The Real Avid TAC-EDC is everything a daily carry knife has to be, and much more. The 440 stainless tanto blade with serrations and durable black oxide coatings takes and holds a razor edge. It opens, ready for instant action, with its quick flip opener or ambidextrous thumb stud. The blade locks in place to keep you safe. Whatever you need to cut or slice, you'll do it with complete control thanks to the non-slip grip plates all around. The Real Avid TAC-EDC is built rugged and ready for real action.